So would you like to tell me something about yourself in detail? Okay.
Firstly, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to telling about myself. And my name is Gaurav Raturi. I am studying class 9 and I live in Banjarawala in Madhya Bihar. And I used to come in this institute for learning the English speaking course daily. And my mother's name is Mrs. Sarita Devi and my father's name is Mr. Later Pashupati Raturi. And I have
Which school do you study?
GIC in Banjarawala.
For how many days you are coming here?
Yeah, I have spent I think 2 months here.
2 months. You have completed 2 months. What did you learn in 2 months?
Yeah, I have learned lots of knowledge here, and in this time I can speak and write in English still for 4 hours.
Continuously.
Continuously 4 hours.
You can speak any topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can speak, and how many hours continuously you can write down?
4 hours.
4 hours you can write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm asking you, tell me something about the good manners.
Good manners. Firstly, good manners. We should not disobey our teachers and our parents, and we should graceful our teachers and our parents, and we should not spread the dust in our environment, and we should clean our environment, and we should not disturbing other people, and we should keep our things mentally, and we should do our work regularly, and these are good manners for everyone.
Now you tell me something about what are table manners.
Table manners. So firstly we should wash our hand and before having the food, and don't waste our food, and don't chew your food well, and when you are chewing your food, don't shout, and don't use to watch television when you eating the food, and don't play with the forks and spoons, and don't go over any plate, any other's plate. So these are the good manners.
Okay. Now tell me something about my city, Dehradun.
I do not. My city is Dehradun. So I live in Dehradun, and Dehradun is a very beautiful city. Yeah, it has many historical instrument here, and we can see like FRI, IMA, and there are many colleges, schools in here, and
Can you give the name of some good schools of Dehradun?
yeah, just St. Thomas, Doon University, and St. Patrick's. These are some ancient and historical schools in here.
Now tell me something
which
about
established by the foreigners, British.
Okay. Now tell me some good thoughts about the teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the importance of teachers?
Teachers. So, ma'am, teacher are the builder of the nation, and teacher are the pillar of the nation, and teacher is good at spread the knowledge, lights of knowledge, and teaching is the one profession that creates the all other professions, and teacher and parents can take the responsibility of any child, and these are the thoughts of teacher.
Now tell me the thought about that. What is the importance of time in our life?
Time. So one is that mainly time never comes back, and
Everybody say I have no time to do this work and that work. Is it right?
No, ma'am.
How we have to manage the time?
No, we can manage the time. We can apply our time to good things, like we can use our time to spend some gather information. If you are sitting the surplus, and then you can take the more information from the book, and then utilize your time the main things.
I think it means you want to say that time is more important than money.
Yes, ma'am. Time is more important than money, and don't waste your time.
Tell me 5 thoughts about the time.
Time is important than money. Time is the greatest master, and if you waste your time, time will waste you, and don't waste your time. And these are our time.
Right. Okay. And about the book.
So books are our best friend. Books are never failing friends, and if you cannot buy the happiness, but you can buy book,
Hmm.
and the books give you happiness.
Happiness also. And books help us to make our career
Yes, ma'am.
bright also.
Bright
Okay.
also.
Sir. Now you tell me, it is to be said that there is a thought about the nature. The nature is the best teacher. Proof how nature is the best teacher?
Because
Nature is a non-living thing. How it can be teacher?
yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, we can teach the many things from the nature, and
You can teach and you can learn. You can
we
learn
can learn.
from the nature. What you can learn from the nature?
We can learn. We can learn from the nature like.
What nature gives us?
Firstly, the nature has consist the many natural resources like rain, river, seas, trees, sun, moon, etc. And these are the natural resources which always teaches us कि we should do our work timely and regularly, because the sun sets is their own time and sun sets
Rises
and sets their own time.
Does sun forget any day
No,
to rise?
no ma'am.
And what he takes from us? Nothing.
Nothing.
Always gives.
Yes, ma'am.
All the natural things
Always
gives. Right?
Take nothing.
And what is the importance of earth?
Earth is a very important.
Uh-huh.
Earth is a home of the every human beings and all of the world,
All
animals,
creatures.
natures. And
What
human
earth
beings.
gives us?
Earth give us many natural resources. Earth give us water, like
Food, fruits,
fruits,
vegetables, and
and airs. Air is very important. Without air, we can't live in the earth.
Mhm.
And these are the importance.
we can build our houses on the
Earth.
earth also.
Yes,
Right? So you have proved that nature is the best teacher also. Now you tell me who got the first Nobel Prize in physics in India?
Dr. C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman. In which field?
Physics.
Physics. Okay. And who wrote the national anthem?
Mr. Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem.
What is our national anthem?
Jan Gan Man.
Jana Gan Mana. And national song?
National.
What are your experiences here?
Ma'am.
Where is the paper? You have written. You have written, no?
उसको मुंह पे लाइट पड़ेगी.
Here. Whatever you written, you tell me.
Is yeah. I sometimes I scared and I got this confidence कि I could not speak the English, but when I came here and learned English, I learned the more about the English, and then the Mrs. Sakuntala Lakhera teaches us the very well English, and in this time we can speak English confidently and we can write the still 4 hours in English. So I enjoy here, and this is very best and nicely place. And this I have that environment कि we can easily speak in English. Here is that type of environment,
Okay.
so we can learn.
Are you paying some money from for learning this or that?
No ma'am.
Did you even pay even a single rupee and anything?
No ma'am.
Okay. And what means you are getting free of cost education, or also you getting the satisfaction?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So what means lesson do you want to give the other students also?
So ma'am,
Your feedback, other students.
so my feedback to the
For other students to join this institute.
other student to join this institute, and here you can learn how can we speak the English frequently and free of cost if you want to give to, and if you want, if you feel कि here is not comfortable, so your money will be returned.
Yes, I used to say also like this. Okay, so are you getting the full satisfaction?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, thank you for clarifying also. Next, अब next है